Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the built-in pipes in templates. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the built-in date pipe we have already discussed. Now we have the another one. So you can use the Angular built-in pipes in the HTML template files to transform the data. Okay, so date pipe we have already discussed. Now we have to go with the currency pipe. So here we go with this. So here I'm going to add this in our template file price. So price needs to be declared where in the app component. So let's go and declare it over here price. And if I just go and check over there, dollar is already added because we have passed only the USD. So okay, it formats the numbers as a currency. Okay, so it will add the currency over here, that is dollar. Uppercases and the lower cases, we have already converted the text to uppercase and the lowercase. So here we have the text and the uppercase. So let's copy this and use it. So this is built-in pipe right now. Okay, and text is important, so let's define the text. Okay, so here we go with the text, that is Angular pipes. Okay, and the component I'm going to use like this. So I want to convert this into the uppercase and the lowercase, you can use like this. Okay, so let's go and check Angular pipes and the Angular pipes. Okay, this uppercase and this is lowercase. Okay, so this is the built-in pipes. We have more built-in pipes written in the documentation, so you can go and check the built-in pipes for the Angular documentation. You will get to know about each of them. Okay, so most of the pipes we are if we are go with the projects, then we will use some of the pipes, right? So this is right now. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.